We're in here today to help and be part of the 101st birthday celebration of our school's namesake, Miss Carla Peperzak.
Several years ago, Carla reached out to the Anne Frank Center USA to express an interest in receiving one of our rare Anne Frank saplings, descendants of the horse chestnut tree that grew outside of the secret annex. I am pleased to announce that Carla Peperzak Middle School is going to receive a sapling this coming spring.
I'm crying because it's amazing. Didn't think it was going to happen, so I'm amazed that it happened.
There are currently 17 saplings growing around the country. Carla Peperzak Middle School will be the 18th site to have an Anne Frank tree.
You're 101 years old.
Right?
It must be very hard to surprise you anymore. So how cool was it?
Oh no, I was very surprised today, very surprised. I didn't expect that at all. The interesting thing is I keep on wondering what I could do to get this going again, and never heard from anybody, so that's what made it so surprising. Hopefully they can keep that tree going once it comes, and I understand it will come in the springtime.
Thank you, Carla, for inspiring many generations, as your Anne Frank tree will do long into the future. Happy birthday.